Hello, what's up, yarn besties? My name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter. So if you're new to the channel or watching this video for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you stick around. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. And if you are a returning viewer and or loyal subscriber, welcome back, as I always appreciate your patronage. So today is going to be another spectacular Goodyear yarn haul. So yesterday I went to the gym, and then I thought maybe I'm going to go over to the Goodwill and see if they had any decorations for my 4th of July, Memorial Day, Flag Day table that I showed in my recent short. They had a few items, but they were kind of not up to par, not up to my standards. So I decided, let me see what kind of yarn they have. So again, the Goodwill gods have smiled upon me, and I found some good yarns. So I'm going to go into all of the yarns specifically. Then I also found like a knitted scarf kit. It was like a retro thing, so I thought it was neat. And then I'll go over all the yarns, and then I'm going to go over the price for each one, and then bring the grand total. So let's get started. So first things first. Now, yesterday their special was if anything was marked blue, you got half off. So I did score something that was half off, which is great. And I also scored something, I think I got 2/3 of it off, like 60-some% of it off. So I was amazed when I saw the receipt. So I'll get into that shortly. So first things first, let's go into the yarns. Now, the ones I'm showing you, these were all $3. So this one is, of course, this is from, I love this yarn. It's their Hobby Lobby brand, and I don't know why someone donated this. This is a very nice yarn. It's their Stonewash line, and look at the colors on that. It's like a gray Stonewash jeans effect. Let me turn on my lamp, see if you can see it. There we go. That's a little bit better. Sorry about that. So you see like the nice little gray tones to it, and it's their Stonewash, and this skein is 5 ounces or 142 grams, 252 yards or 230 meters. For this yarn, they recommend a US 8 knit needles or a US I9 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And the colorway for that is dark gray. So here's the specs for that. Then I'll show you the specs for the needles, and it's 100% acrylic. All right. I'll move these around. So, and then the next 3 are all from the same line. I love this yarn, but this one's the second one. This is their print line. And look at the colors on that. You see some like light pastels. You like some purples, like some lavender, some pink in there, some fuchsia, a little bit of green, a little slightly bit of orange in there. But this is a really neat, beautiful colorway. So isn't that pretty? And it's the same specs as the last one. Needle size and hook size as well. Same material. And the colorway is sunset. And I can see why they call it sunset, because you got like how you get that really beautiful sunset with the hues of like purple and some little bit of a orange in there. So that's pretty. I like that. All right, then the next one's also from I Love This Yarn, their print line. And again, look at that colorway. See like some the greens and some browns and some yellows, a little bit tan, slight little bit of off-white. Again, this is the same specifications as the other 2 skeins. And the colorway for this is Cobblestone Ivy. Oh, I can see why they call it that. That is so pretty. Like the ivy, like that's pretty. Like the cobblestone with the brown, and you got the ivy with the green. You got a little bit of brown for the ivy stem. Then the next one, this is also their print line. And this is kind of pretty. I like that too. Like see some blacks, see some brown, light brown, some tans, a little bit of white. And same specs as the other 3 skeins. And the colorway for this is called Naturals Stripe. See if I can get that in there. So it's kind of, I don't know why they chose like a dark sticker to put black lettering on this. I don't know why they did that. All right, then the next one, this is from their Yarn Bee line, their soft secret yarn. They call this Biscuit. I guess that's the either the line or the colorway. So let me see here. And I got the sticker covered over the specs for this yarn. Let's see if I can get that sticker off. Okay, there we go. A little bit. Alright, so... Okay, so it is Biscuit. They did... I thought it was just the line, but the colorway is Biscuit for this yarn. It's kind of like a nice... Kind of reminds me of biscuits, like that little... Like the biscuits you get, like with chicken or whatnot, or at McDonald's, like the Biscuit. And the specs for this, it is 6 ounces or 170 grams, 300 yards or 275 meters. It's 100% acrylic. And they recommend for this, they don't have one for knitting, for crochet hooks. They just have this for knitting needles, and they recommend a US 7 or 4.5 millimeter knit needles. It's a number 4 worsted weighted yarn. Oh, I forgot to mention what weight all these other 4 yarns were. They were all 4s. And there's the specs for that. I don't know how I can see that. There's the 6. Sorry about that. The sticker was cut. They had that sticker covering it up. And again, the colorway is Biscuit. All right, and then I have found this yarn at the same Goodwill as before. It's their Red Heart sachet line, the boutique sachet line. The same type of fat material width as before. Let me see if I can find it's a super bulky weighted yarn number 6. They recommend a 5.5 millimeter knit needles or US 9. And for the crochet hooks, they recommend a J10 or a 6 millimeter crochet hook. And this is a number 6 weighted yarn. And the colorway for this is Hip Hop. Let me see if I can get that in the focus here. There's that. And then there's the specs for the weight and the recommended hook and needle sizes. Oh, and I forgot to mention the weight and length. So for the weight, it's 3.5 ounces or 100 grams. And for the length, it's 30 yards or 27 meters. Again, this was from Red Heart Sachet. All right, and then last of the yarns. This one I got half off because they had their sale for blue because of the blue label. So it was marked at $3, but I got this for $1.50. So this is from Hooks and Needles, actually. So it looks like someone must have gotten a Hooks and Needles kit and they decided they didn't want the yarn anymore, so they donated it. So their loss, my gain. And let me see here. This is a number 4 worsted weighted yarn, and again, they got this covered up over the needle size. I guess this is only this must be for their knitted kit because it only specifies for knit needles, not crochet hooks. But I'm sure you can use a crochet hook for this as well. Maybe like a J or K possibly because it's kind of thicker than a number 4. And it is 134 yards and 50 grams. I guess they don't have it for the Imperial system, I guess. But it's a pretty color. And oh, the colorway. Let me see if they have what the colorway is. I guess they don't have it on here. I'm guessing like an icy blue or something like that. But it's kind of pretty though. All right, and then the piece de resistance. Okay, so I saw this on the shelf above where the yarns were, and I was looking to see. I didn't know if this was like a, because it says a man's muffler kit. I was thinking maybe it's for cars. Like, why would they have something like that in the craft section? But then it turned out it was for a scarf, and with the monograms. So this is retro, and they have the original Murphy sticker on there. It was marked as at $1.77 for this kit, and you can see on the bottom they have the yarn in there. And this was marked at $3, but this was the one I got for $1. This came up on the receipt as $1, so I got 66% off on this. So I may try this out just for S&G, you know. So basically, this is what it looks like. There's the kit, and it says it comes with all the yarns and the monogram yarn. And they even tell in the back and they even specify in the side what knit needles you need for this, but they said they're not included, so you have to provide your own. So I may do this as a side project and see how this comes out. All right, that is my yarn haul, everybody. So let me go over. So the first 7 yarns I presented, actually no, the first 6 I presented were $3 full price because they didn't have any specials for that color that day. The hooks and needles one, that was the one that was half off, so I got that for $1.50. And then the man's muffler kit, that scarf kit, well, it came up as $1, so I got 66% off on that. And the grand total for all of those yarns, and I'm going to round it up to $22, and that's including tax. So again, all that yarn, I scored big for that. I mean, if you see those type of yarns like in the stores, like on regular prices, they'd be like $5 a skein, and this hooks and then this hooks and needles, that was with that kit. So you can't get this in stores. You have to sign up for their program or their club to get the yarn. And then in these sachets, you can't see these anymore. They're discontinued, they're vintage, so you can't find those. So yeah, that is my yarn, everybody. So I hope everyone's day is going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks and your knit needles. Grab that yarn, create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Be there for one another. Help each other out. Be kind to one another. Pay it forward if possible. Love yourself. Be true to yourself. And don't let anyone deter you from your true path. And May is Mental Health Awareness Month. So it is very important, no matter what time of the year, to stay on top of your mental health. And as I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, the best way to combat any kind of not so great mental health is to find a hobby just to keep yourself calm and meditative and in a mind frame, and crocheting and knitting is the best tools for that. So my recommendation, it's a personal prescription from me to you, and there's gonna be more videos down the pike. So right now, oh, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and piece of fuss flying around. And as of right now at this taping, I'm at 910 subscribers, so I'm about 90 subscribers away from reaching my 1,000 goal, which is fantastic, guys. So love y'all very much. I appreciate all your support and love and your feedback and creative criticisms and things like that I take to heart. On that note, take care of yourselves and each other.